Welcome back to AeroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in rockets and missile. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the introduction to rockets and missile. We discussed the difference between a rocket and missile, and we discussed about the different classification of a spacecraft as well as space launchers or launch vehicles. In this lecture, we will discuss about types of orbit. You can see an image of a satellite which is revolving around the Earth. Okay, so the repeated flight path of an artificial satellite or a spacecraft around a planet is called orbit. Okay, I repeat, the repeated flight path of a satellite or a spacecraft around a planet is called an orbit. You can see the definition of the orbit, and you can see a figure which indicate the different types of orbit. Okay, so we have first type of orbit, that is called the LEO, that is nothing but the low Earth orbit, and second orbit is called MEO, that is the medium Earth orbit, and the last case is GEO, that is the geostationary or geosynchronous orbit. We will discuss about low Earth orbit, and for low Earth orbit, the distance from Earth is 2000 kilometers, and the time period of satellite which is operating in low Earth orbit is 1.5 hours, and these are nearly circular orbit, and they are mainly used to launch satellite which are mainly used for remote sensing, experimental as well as for space station purpose. Okay, especially the International Space Station. Next case is MEO, that is medium Earth orbit. They have a distance of, these are orbit at a distance of 6000 to 12,000 miles from the Earth surface, and the time period is 4 to 8 hours, and MEO's orbits are usually in circular, and MEO's orbits are mainly used to launch navigation satellite, remote sensing satellite, and this reconnaissance is called spy satellite. Okay. Next case is called geosynchronous satellite or geostationary satellite. Okay, so for that you have to understand this figure. First of all, you are aware about something called equator. Okay, if I place a plane, okay, if I have a plane here, if I have a plane, something like this, something like a rectangle, not a, it's called equatorial plane. Okay, and this one I'll take a different color. And this is the orbital plane. Okay, this one is the orbital plane, and for red color is the equatorial plane. Okay, if the angle between the equatorial plane and the orbital plane is 0, that I denote as capital I, not capital I, small letter I, is 0, that is the equatorial plane and the orbital plane is coinciding, that type of orbit is called a geostationary orbit. And we have special characteristic for this orbit. The time period is 24 hours, and it is the same time period for the Earth. Okay, same as of Earth time period around this axis, and the distance will be 36,000 kilometers from the Earth surface, but the real distance is 35,838 kilometers. These are the specialty of geosynchronous orbit. Okay, this I have explained here, and they are mainly used for communication. Okay, for example, if I want to get the weather report or weather forecasting of a particular place on Earth, I have to launch the satellite in geostationary orbit. Okay, that is really important, and these are the specialty of geostationary satellite. The period of orbit is 24 hours. The orbit should be in circular orbit. The orbital plane should coincide with the equatorial plane. Okay, so these are the specialities of geostationary orbit. Now we will discuss about different special orbit available for spacecraft mission. First case is called prograde orbit. In this type of orbit, you have a specialty that the satellite will move in the same direction as that of the Earth's rotation. Okay, the satellite will move as the same direction of the Earth rotation. Next case is retrograde. So it is reverse of the prograde. Okay, in retrograde, the satellite will move in the reverse direction of the Earth rotation. Okay, and the last orbit is called polar orbit, and these are orbit that is passing through the poles of the Earth. Okay, so this is about this lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.